So today's video regarding HP printer, and I'm going to show you how to do wireless print and scan and also the copy. So let's start with that. Now the first thing is we actually need to connect our Android device with this printer using the printer's Wi-Fi direct setup, and also we need to download HP Smart app. As you can see, this app you need to download from the App Store, and once you download it, then we start. Now go to the printer's display panel and click on the Wi-Fi light. So once it is on, now we go on the Android device. Now open the Wi-Fi setting of your phone and look for the printer's Wi-Fi network. So that is direct A5 HP Deskjet 2600. Now key in the password 12345678. Click on connect. Open HP Smart app. Now once the app is on, we need to add this printer there. So click on the plus button on the top. Click on 2600 series. Just wait for the printer to appear here. Now I'm going to show you one by one how to do copy, print and scan. So first we'll do the copy. Now to do a copy, we just need to open the top scanner bed and place a document there facing downwards you want to print. Close the lid. Now press color or black once and it will copy the document. And now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless scan and print. Now to do the wireless print, first go into the app again and look for the print document option. Now select any document from PDF, photo or scanned file and open any file. Click on the print option at the bottom and you will see the details here. You can adjust the number of copies, and I'll do just one. Click on the print app. Just wait for the printer to start. So that's the way we can do print. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning. Now to do the scan, the first thing is to open the app, that is the printer scan here. So open the scanner, place the document you want to scan and close the lid. And on the Android phone, click on scan button. So you will see it will transfer the scan here. So this way we can do the wireless print and scan, whereas the copy you can do just from the printer, and it's also a Wi-Fi direct setup. Thanks for watching.